The materials manufacturing class is a rare opportunity to learn the safe and proper use of operating hand tools and machinery for creating wood-based products similar to the items that they create in the industry today. If you have an interest in working with your hands, then you can learn to build what designers and engineers can only illustrate on paper. Seize this unique opportunity to learn how merchandise is prepared and marketed to meet the needs and wants of today's consumers. Gain valuable knowledge of how these products are designed and constructed for durability and aesthetics by creating them yourself. Learn the proper handling and finishing techniques necessary to create a quality toy, product, or piece of furniture that will be treasured forever. You will learn to program CNC or computer numerically controlled equipment to create cool and unique products that will wow your classmates. It can be noisy, it can be dusty, but most of all, it's a fun way to learn how to be your own knowledgeable consumer and study a marketable career at the same time. This unique class is a minor and meets 3 days a cycle.